Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to repair your Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Open the start menu and type File Explorer and hit enter. Go to View tab and select Hidden Folders. One moment. Go to View and mark this option, Hidden Items. Very important, mark this option and go to the next directory. Go to this PC, select your local disk in your Windows installation. In this case is local disk C. Double click, select users and select your user. In this case is Alice, your name. Select your name or user. In my personal use or my personal computer is Alice. Go to app data, is a hidden folder, app data, double click, select local, the first option, and search for package, double click, and browse the folder with contain in the name 8WE, these letters 8WE and end with BBWE, and delete this folder. You locate this folder and delete. Select bin water and delete and delete. Scroll down and browse for any folder with contain this 8WE key and delete. The full name is Microsoft App. Scroll down. This folder contains this name, this architecture, AWE key, and ending with BBWE. Delete and search for Microsoft Edge. This is the very important folder. Microsoft Edge, AWE key G B3D8BBWE, corresponding to Edge, and the other folder with the name stable. Select all folder with the name Edge and delete, or right click delete and close. And in the description below, copy the command in description. Go to the start menu and search for PowerShell and right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and go to the top, right click, select edit and paste. Or Ctrl V One moment, notepad, and type the next command, get app X package space the symbol AllUsers space /name space Microsoft.Edge space the symbol space Foreach open symbol Add-AppXPackage space disable development mode space register space dollar the symbol dot install location close invert slash AppXManifest.xml close Verbose and this symbol. One moment. Edit properties font. This is the full command and hit enter. This is the full command in the description below and hit enter and close. Don't error in this command. Close. To apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start button and click on restart. The full command is in the description below of this video. Login in your desktop. And open up your Microsoft Edge. And your problem has been fixed. I want go to any search. In this case, I use Google and browse any info. For example, Taylor Swift, and your web browser is running properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.